Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, Sydney's hair is, I'm gonna simply put it, a mess. It's very soft because the white stuff that you see in her hair, that's product that is a leave-in conditioner that she used to style her hair. And of course she overdid it because she doesn't know, she's learning how to do her hair. But today's video is about Rev Air, y'all. We did it. I tried it out, the Rev Air. So in this video you will see how the Rev Air helps Sydney's 4C coarse hair. So I'm taking out her braids. Sydney's hair is like really beautiful, and if I were to lock it, it will lock straight away, because if I put a braid in her hair overnight, it is really hard to get out the next day. So that's how I know her hair will lock and it will look beautiful. But everybody asks, will you put locks in Sydney's hair? She does not want locks. She know what locks are. A lot of people have them in my family, my two sisters, my aunts. Everybody has them, but she does not want them. Okay, so I washed her hair. This is her hair, freshly washed and deep conditioned. And I'm just going to make sure that all that water is out of her hair. Now I'm going to apply Aunt Jackie's leave-in conditioner. Because I watched a lot of reviews or how to use the Rev Air before I styled Sydney's hair, and I want to say, first and foremost, do not use a lot of product in your hair if you are using this Rev Air. If you want like a sleek, nice blow dry. But with Sydney's hair, and another thing, your hair has to be detangled, no tangles before you use the Rev Air. So that's why I use a lot of product, because Sydney's hair, it has to be detangled, and I use a lot of leave-in conditioner to help my detangling process. And I just want to make sure everything is saturated her hair. And they give you a nice comb, and those clips, those butterfly clips, are everything. And the comb was nice too, because it's just not, it's like a rubber plastic. It's not just plastic, but it really helps with managing the hair and getting all those tangles out. So that's what I'm going to be doing here, but I'm going to do the rest off camera, and then when I come back we will get into everything. And this product is just amazing. And also, if you want to get one of these, look down in my description box and use my code, and all the other information will be down there as well. And you can also get 10% off too. And I love that brush. Sydney's hair loves a good paddle brush. So I'll get back to you when I'm done. Okay, so I'm all done with detangling her hair. It was crazy, but we got to it. And here is the new and improved Rev Air. This is the second one they produced, because the first one was really heavy and this one is really lightweight. The hose is a lot shorter. It is detachable, and they also gave me a continuous hair sprayer, which I love. I'm going to put the water back in her hair because you want the hair to be moist before you blow dry it. And the first section that we were like, Sydney was like, Mom, is it going to hurt? You know, Sydney is like, she's not for anything. And I'm just prepping her hair, making sure every other hair that I'm not using is away. And she's like, Mom, is it going to hurt? I'm like, no, I don't think it's going to hurt, you know. So I took one section. I got a small section, because when you blow dry, it's better to blow dry in smaller sections. That's with anything, because you want the best results. So smaller sections get you the best results. So I'm just trying to see the suction on it, because I want the best suction, because Sydney's hair is really coarse. So I put the You can choose the levels from 1 to 7, and I put it on the highest level. And I'm just moving the nozzle up and down because I want a great blow dry like on the base of her hair. So look at it. Ooh, look at her. She was like, it didn't hurt, Mom. It did not hurt. So this is our first time using it, and I wanted to do it on camera because I wanted you guys to see Sydney's reaction. And like I said, don't use a lot of product because your hair will come out kind of stiff. But I'm okay with Sydney's hair being like this because I'm not going to do a silk press or anything. So next time I will use like a little serum on it with the leave-in and less leave-in on it. And she's like, ooh, Mom, it didn't hurt. It's pain-free. And you see, I put it on many times just because I want to see how well it would do each time, but you don't need to do that. Usually with the blow dryer, I'll have both my hands. I'll need both my hands. I'll need the blow dryer in one hand and then the styling brush or the Denman brush in the other, or the paddle brush. And it is torture for Sydney. When I say torture, because I'm like trying to brush through as I'm blow drying, and that causes tension, and Sydney's crying. But look at her right here, chilling. This is what I need in my life. This is like life-changing for us, because for Sydney to just chill like this, and then she likes to have her hair blown out because she likes the look of it. But y'all never really see me blow dry her hair, so this is great for us. I just gotta trim those ends, and she wanted to get done faster, so I just did my plan was to take one twist, separate it into two, and then do those two separately. But she's like, Mom, she wanted to be done, and I did too. So I just took the whole twist and put it in there and make sure I moved it up and down, side to side, just to get the best results. And I kind of like moved it up and down to kind of straighten it out, because I don't know what's going on in that nozzle, and I just wanted to make sure that everything was getting straightened out. And also right here, I was like, okay, let me see if I'm doing like a twist out and it's wet. You could put it inside the nozzle, and you can get a twist out, I'm thinking, like in 20 minutes. I'm like, this is genius. So next time I do Sydney's hair and I fully put all the products in it for a nice twist out, I'm going to use this and see the end results. And I did realize with the twist, because they are together, tightly woven or twisted, that you have to leave it on there a little bit longer. But the process is going, look at that. If I left it on there and it's fully dry, it's not fully dry right there. And if the products were on there that we need for a great twist out, this is clutch. Do y'all see how this is like life-changing? Like, you don't have to sit under a dryer for an hour or 2 hours or wait for your hair, especially if your hair is really thick. You don't have to wait overnight to let your hair dry. This is great. And also, you know how the blow dryer can burn you sometimes, because this is cool air, it does not burn. It gets a little warm, but it has that vent right there, the other part of the nozzle, and it's a fan that's continuously going, so they won't ever get burnt. And that's enough for me. And of course, you always want to go back and add water to the hair, because you never want to put dry hair in a blow dryer, because what for? You're not drying anything. The hair is already dried. And to really get a good stretch on the hair, make sure the water is on it, because it really helps with the end result. I just want to give a shout out to Lucky Charm. This person gave me the idea to reach out to Rev Air and this person said, oh, why don't you just try Rev Air on them? And I was like, ding, light bulb. So thank you, Lucky Charm. I don't know if this person has a YouTube channel or anything, but go check them out. Maybe they have like an Instagram or TikTok or something. And this is another thing that I'm saying. I'm always talking in my comments. I'm always communicating with you guys. I love you guys. And if you have not subscribed yet, please go and subscribe to my TikTok, to my Facebook, to my go sign up for emails at supalux with 2x's.com. Sign up for the email list so you can get a percentage off when you shop with me. I just thank you guys for your continuous support and always chatting with me. I love the way we bounce ideas off of each other, but this is the final look. It's so great. I have to trim her ends, and stay tuned in the next video. I will be styling her hair, but look at the end result. Sydney's hair is so beautiful and thick, and she just loved that. She hates the comb. Y'all know she hates the comb, but that blow dry was the easiest thing in life for us when it ever came to any type of hairstyle or maintenance to the hair. So this will be in our routine, wash day routine from now on. I don't use a lot of heat, and this is good for her hair because it doesn't provide heat. You don't feel heat, so it's like a cool setting. And that's it. Sydney's satisfied. I'm happy. And again, thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And go watch my other videos, y'all. Have a blessed day. Bye.